My name is Pragya and I am from BCA College Batch 1 4th Sem. Today I am going to present the topic is 3-level architecture, which is in a database management system. So firstly know about the 3-level architecture. The overall design of the database is called the database schema. The three schema architecture is called ANSI or SPARC. American National Standard Institute and Standard Planning and Requirement Committee architecture or a 3-level architecture. The tree schema architecture is also used to separate the user application and a physical database. The 3-level architecture are internal level or a physical level, conceptual level and a logical level, and external level and a view level. So let's understand by the figure. So this is the first level architecture, which is external level, and this is the second level of architecture, which is conceptual level, and this is the third level of architecture, which is a physical level. So data is stored in a physical level. Internal level architecture or a physical level. The internal level has the internal schema, which describes the physical storage structure of a database. The internal level schema is also known as a physical schema. It uses the physical data model. It is used to define that how the data will be stored in a block. The physical level is used to describe complex low-level data structure in a detail. And this is the conceptual level and or logical level. The conceptual schema describes the design of the database at the conceptual level. The conceptual level describes the structure of the whole database. In the conceptual level, internal details such as implementation of a database are hidden. Programmer and a database administrator work at this level. And this is the last level, external level or a view level. At the external level, a database contains several schemas that sometimes called a subschema. The subschema is used to describe the different view of a database. Each view schema describes the database part that a particular user group is interested and hidden the remaining database from the user group. The view schema describe the end user interaction with the database. That's all. Thank you.